So special solutions, we've got 3 of them. We've got that the answer is 0, so there's one answer and it happens to be 0. We've got the infinite solution, so every single number will work to solve this equation. And then the no solution will not, where nothing will ever work. So I'm going to go ahead and identify how many solutions each equation has over here. The thing about infinite solutions, it needs to be exactly the same on both sides. The no solution, let me just make a little chart real quick to make this a little easier. So I said the infinite solutions, everything's the same on both sides. You may need to distribute or combine like terms before you notice this. Everything's the same. We've got the no solution, so you can use this little null thing right here, or say no solution. And that's where your variables are the same, so your coefficients are the same, but your constants will be different. And then the last one is your 0 answer. So it has one solution, it just happens to be 0. And on this one, you're going to have different variables, so different coefficients on those variables. But then your constants will be exactly the same. Okay, so let's go and try to solve some. So on number 16, I see that 2x plus 5 equals 2x plus 5. Now if it makes sense to you, no matter what you plug in to x, it's going to be multiplied by 2 and then added to 5 each time. So really every single number is going to work there. So that is our infinite solution, or you can say all real numbers there. So same, 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 and same, right? On this one, I see that these are the same, but I've got a negative 5 and a positive 5. So I'm going to multiply by 2, subtract 5 in one, and add 5 on the other. Those are going to be 10 apart every single time. So that is the no solution. Nothing you plug in will ever work there. On this one, if I start solving it, look what happens. I subtract my 2x, I get x plus 5, or 1x plus 5 if you want to write it like that, and then I subtract my 5, and look at what happens to all these 5's right here. That gives me x is equal to 0 when I'm done. So it's really about these 5's being the same and these being different. So that is our one solution there. So it has one solution and it happens to be 0. So one solution. And I'm writing that because that's what the directions say. It says identify how many solutions. And it has one and the answer just happens to be 0. Now this one down here, we've got different variables and different constants. That's just a normal equation, so that one must just have one solution. So x is equal to some number out there, but it didn't ask us to solve, so that's where we're going to hold off on that.